The conditions are ideal. Look at the respiratory rates on the tablet.
Confirmed. The misting is keeping them very comfortable. The protein uptake is excellent according to these figures.
Yes, the new blend is working. We should monitor the mineral levels closely this week.
Thermal readings on Bull 7B look good.
Confirmed. Core temperature is stable.
Grazing rotation looks good on the eastern quadrant.
Confirmed. The drone telemetry shows optimal weight gain in that group.
Good flow rate here.
Right, so.
Maintain the pressure, nice and calm.
All teams stand clear. Pilot, you're good to ascend. Nice and slow now.
Scan confirms identity and temperature. He's clear for pasture.
Noted, Doctor. Opening the gate now. Premium hides and naturally available white horns from Grey Brahman bulls are obtained only through an established, regulated supply network.
Traceability records match the quality report. Data confirmed. Very good. We can approve this batch. I'm scanning the unique barcode, instantly recording the origin and inspection history.
The texture on these hides is exceptional. Yes, truly premium grade. The horns are flawless as well.
The Grey Brahman Bull premium hides are immersed in environmentally controlled tanning drums. Automated systems circulate tanning solutions.
The elongation percentage is impressive.
Indeed, the durability meets the luxury standard.
Tower, this is Core Process Unit 4. Manifest for Brahman Shipment 7 confirmed.
Copy that, 4. Cleared for loading on the global distributor.
Let's get this cleared for retail. Everything match the manifest, Priya?
Spot on, Sanjay. The horn products are pristine.
The craftsmanship on these leather pieces is truly exceptional, sourced only from the finest Grey Brahman.
They feel incredible. As you can see, the leather is sourced exclusively from the Grey Brahman Bull, known for its exceptional durability and unique grain.
We utilize the distinctive white horn of the Grey Brahman Bull for these accessories. The leather, as you can feel, is incredibly supple due to our specialized tanning process.
So this is the result of the Core Process 4.0. It's stunning work. Truly luxurious. I love the texture of the Grey Brahman leather.
The beauty of the Grey Brahman leather is its durability. It maintains that high-end feel while offering incredible functionality.
I believe the mirror should sit slightly lower to catch the morning light.
Yes, highlighting the craftsmanship of the horn.
From responsible sourcing and skilled craftsmanship to world-class luxury products, every Grey Brahman